Uh, thank you very much for visiting our monastery, Dongawasal Darjeeling Monastery in Kengkomsa, and I'm very happy to know that today an online tour here in our monastery, and thank you very much. Hopefully, everybody will join and enjoy today.
Okay, thank you, Vipotela.
Now.
So he is our English teacher in here. So he will say something to greet you all. And even, so his name is Mr. Yangda.
Zambola. Am I being audible? Hope everyone can hear me.
Yes, we hear you very clear.
Thank you for supporting our Jasang. And we are being very much blessed being one disciple under Rinpoche. And I'm one of them. And today I would like to simply make some appreciation, me and my friends, on behalf of our Jasang of our monastery. We have to show us our places and think about how about we run our monastery and show the places around. Hope everyone will enjoy and feel free and feel like you have visited our Jasang for real. Thank you and have a nice day. Hope you will enjoy.
Thank you
Without
very
much
much.
ado, let's
Absolutely,
go around and see the Jasang.
Yes, thank you very much. We will
Okay, so
enjoy it.
Rimutala will
Absolutely.
show us, so we all will accompany our Rimutala. So let us go to see the view of the inside our monastery. So there,
This is
so
our main temple, by the way.
this is the main temple. And just see, our monks are doing the debate. So this is the main entrance. Have a look, have a look.
Oke, kita dari bagian depan kita masuk ke dalam ruangan. Ya, ini adalah main temple-nya, kawan-kawan semua.
So there are the colleges in GWG.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, have a rest. Okay, have a rest now. So, hello, can you hear me?
Yes, Rinpoche lang. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So right now, so those are the colleges, and they are doing the debate on the topic, the emptiness. So they already clarify about the emptiness, and so two acharya is guiding them. So one here. So future, so Atiche, so master in Indonesia. Just have a look. See his smile. How? Okay.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Lopola.
Okay. So this is Rimpoche's stone. So have a look. This one is Rimpoche's stone. Here.
Okay, that's great.
Okay, so this is Rimpoche's stone. And yeah, so this one is Rimpoche's. And so I will explain about some statues. Main statue out here is Amitabha Buddha. So everybody knows Amitabha Buddha is a very important national pyramid. So this is Buddha Amitabha, just built by Rimpoche's one of disciple. So right now he's on the process building even the Dharma Palace inside here. So at the right hand, so already have all of the Sharia. So in the Chinese culture, everybody knows the all of the Sharia. Koyim. Yeah, so Buddha Sangha already everybody knows, so he is a master of the tantric. So this is Buddha Sangha. So main statue out here is three roots. This is in Vajrayana Buddhism, even especially in yeah, this is in especially in so Vajrayana Buddhism. Among that, so as already we know in our so Mono practices, already have those things in so mentioned there. So already, so Dharmakaya, Sambhokaya, and the Nirmankaya here. So main out here is the Trikaya statue. So let us go to have a look in next stage.
Here in
Oh. Oh, here. So this this painting is 42 peaceful deities and so 48 peaceful deities and 52 58 rightful deities. So be careful. So when we die, so we'll meet them. So no need to worry. So have a look right now. If you know all deities, so no need to worry when you pass. You can pass very easily.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Here-
this is a rightful one.
Now here is the Vajrakilaya.
Vajrakilaya and all. So this, those rightful are from the 5 family Buddhas in the rightful form.
Here, Rizin Kundal Sherab.
So first stone holder of the Pyle lineage. Have a look.
Okay.
No.
And Tamal Hindu Jamso.
One by one. So all painting are.
Inside here that
Please have a look.
with
Yeah.
now we are
Already built Dharmapala's temple here. So those are the statue maker here. So this is a main disciple of the Rinpoche, and he is so building a statue. This is Rahula, Ekasati, and Mahakala, and so Vajra Sadhu, and here this is our local deities in this monastery. So this is a local deity. So on the process and a building, so making by him. So he is a very good statue maker.
Hello.
Have a look here.
This-
1,000 arm Avalokiteshwara. Yeah, so Amitabha. So main practice of
Sukhawati.
one. So main practice in Hoa. So this is our main painting station, police station. Yeah, so Buddha Padma Sambhava. All so 8 form of Buddha Padma Sambhava.
The violinist.
So how long it took to finish the construction from this main temple in Rinpoche?
4 years.
4 years. It took 4 years to complete.
Wow, because it full of deities inside the main
Yeah.
temple, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. 21 Zambala.
Oh, Jambala, yeah.
Tyson.
21,000. Okay.
Jadi kalau kawan-kawan yang seperti yang kita ketahui, kalau Jambala itu ya istilah kalau di versi Indonesianya dikenal sebagai Tyson Ye gitu ya. Jadi kita tadi melihat main temple-nya itu penuh dengan gambar-gambar dari para deities, itu sangat luar biasa, penuh dengan warna. Ya harapannya ini nanti ke depannya kita bisa datang dan melihat secara langsung. Feel-nya tentunya akan berbeda, jadi ini hanya sebagai gimmick kita supaya kita menguatkan tekad kita untuk datang secara fisik langsung mengunjungi temple ini. Oke, kita lanjut di tempat spot kita yang berikutnya.
Okay, have a look here. Have a look. This is a very important. Be careful. Observe very carefully. So Rinpoche will explain here. Tara Hijo.
And power and here. You can see carefully.
So here, so already have a Tara. So natural horizon Tara here, already here. So if you have a very good connection, so you can see here, already have Tara here, green Tara. So this is a Tara statue. Have a look here. Look carefully here.
Okay.
Look very carefully. One by one. So here already mentioned, same like this picture. So this picture, Tara Hijo, and this is a Tara statue. We must say this is Tara Temple.
Tara Mansion. Tara Mansion.
Tara Mansion.
Tara Mansion. Oke, kawan-kawan kita bisa lihat di sini, ini adalah gambar Tara yang muncul secara sendirinya, Save Horizon Tara Image ya. Jadi kalau kita mempunyai koneksi yang bagus, kita akan melihat gambar ini dengan sangat jelas. Jadi ini adalah gambar dari Green Tara. Jadi ini adalah seperti sebuah Tara Mansion jadinya.
Ya.
Jadi gambar ini muncul langsung ya. Jadi bukan karena digambar jadinya.
Okay, let us have a look. This is our monk's dormitory and monk residence. Just have a look.
Kuti Sangha.
So this is Sangha Kuti. This is all Sangha Kuti. This all are the Sangha Kuti. So let us go to new Sangha Kuti, which was sponsored by Indonesian
And Singaporean.
and Singaporean. Let us go have a look. So this is a very old Sangha Kuti. See, 5-star Kuti. This is a new Sangha Kuti, so it's sponsored from the Indonesia and Singapore. So this one is a new. Just have a look.
Ya, ini adalah Kuti Sangha yang banyak kontribusi dari donatur dari Indonesia maupun Singapura. Ini adalah Kuti Sangha yang baru dibangun, kawan-kawan.
Maybe we will show inside.
Yeah, so the
Connection.
one of our monk come and he opened his door. So let us have a look inside. See their room. So this is
Oke,
their
kita
room.
masuk di ruangan Kuti Sanghanya, kawan-kawan.
This is new room of Sangha. New room.
Yes.
New room.
And on top of and here the jigsaws room. Yeah, sure. Okay.
Why it took so long to finish the construction, Loponla?
Yeah, because here it's very big. Not only one. See, very long, very big. Even
Wow.
temple also big. For temple
Karena
to complete
begitu
it,
besar,
so
kawan-kawan.
years to complete this kuti to apa? This kuti is for 24 sangha, 24 monks. Each room they have two monks. Okay, aku dan pala okay, nin.
3 years. Almost 3 years.
2 years. Oh, so this kuti almost it took 2 years to complete that. Because it is very big, not small, so
Longer.
very long.
And we have very finish again.
Oh, because of our less financial, so that is why could not finish within. So on time, even the very difficult to find a
Worker.
worker here. So this is the main thing. That is why it took so long.
Now we are going to
Kitchen.
meet some
Little monk.
little monks, and we will have some soup.
So this is our kitchen. Have a look. This is the kitchen. Kitchen. See.
Oke, ini dapurnya, kawan-kawan.
This is our kitchen. So we prepare from firewood. This upward. So we eat from here. Yeah, this is our kitchen.
And the rice cooker. These are the
Rice cooker.
rice cooker. Open it some.
Preparing food.
Wah, sekali
Yeah.
masak banyak. So many, Loponla.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
because many monks. Oh, this
How many monks?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
How many monks are studying
Ah.
here at this moment, Lokonla?
Excuse me,
Sorry.
Akbar. What is it? Just would you mind to repeat again? I forgot. Couldn't you say something?
Here at this moment?
How many monks are there in our monastery? Is it
Yeah, yeah.
more than 100 plus monks are staying at monastery?
Wow,
And
more than
even the
100, yeah?
meditators, all together with meditators, so more than 150.
Oh, more than 150.
Yeah, but I will later on I will show the whole life meditators and whole life the
Okay,
practice at the jungle.
Wow.
Above our monastery.
Wah, ada 150 lebih biksu yang ada di sini ya, kawan-kawan ya. Banyak
So I
banget,
will show
makanya
you
sekali
later on
masak
our
itu
jungle,
banyak.
above our monastery.
Yeah.
Hello, I'm Kunjang Disindrupa. So I'm teaching English here at lower classes. So firstly, I want to mention the timetable in our monastery in a daily basis. So here we are waking up in morning 5 a.m. So after that till 7 a.m. we have morning study. So after that 7 till 8 that is breakfast time, and after 8 we have our first class, and after 9:30 8 to 9:30 that is our first class, and 9:30 to 10 that is interval, and after 10 till 11:30 that is second class, and after that 11:30 till 1 that is lunch break, and till after that 1 to 2 we have English class, and 1 to 3 we have English class. After that again we have our tea break till 3:30, and after that 3:30 till 4:30. Then again one class is there. After that again one interval is there, and after that we have to go to debate class, and till 7 we have to go for debate class, and after 7 till 8 that is dinner time. So after dinner 8 till 9:30 that is time for self-study, that is like it's night study. So today I'm here to with my class students to teach teach English.
Have a look.
Oke, kita sekarang jalan-jalan melihat bagaimana proses belajar yang dilakukan oleh para biksu.
So actually I'm here to introduce parts of speech because firstly we have to know what parts of speech are there, how many parts of speech are there. Firstly, if we know the parts of speech, then that will be English will be very easy. So that's why I'm here to introduce parts of speech. There are 9 parts of speech. So firstly, there are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, determiner, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So these are the parts of speech. So first of all, we have to know how many types of speech in English, and where and when we have to use them. So before introducing this, so I want to segregate or choose few monks to meet or take time to talk with you all. So
Okay.
firstly, Kunjang
Pemoran.
Pemarangjo.
Okay. Thank you for the opportunity. And hello and Salman Pagi to all participant to this program and greetings to all the supporters, Rinpoche, Kempo teachers, IBF of Damas Darjeeling monks would like to thank you for supporting our monastery. We always pray to mighty and enlightened ones for you and your families. Hope you all benefit monastery most year after as well. And thank you and terima kasih and thank you very much and hope you all find and please be safe and better meet COVID-19 lah. Terima kasih, sampai jumpa.
Kunzang Rizin wants to meet you with you all.
Hello lah. I am Kunzang Rizin and I on behalf of the monks of Komsar Monastery. I want to wish you I hope you all will be safe from COVID-19 and thank you so much for all your support and your love. Thank you.
So,
Jixel. Hello.
lastly, Jimmy Chinekuncha wants to talk with you all.
Jimmy Taylor, good job.
Hi, good to see you all. My name is Dimitri Kunjab. Today, I simply want to make a simple appreciation and pay my heartfelt gratitude. Firstly, with the blessing from Rinpoche, we were very much blessed and no different from the one family. I'm so pleased to see you all and surprised at the same time. Maybe we were destined to see each other. So I wish we have. We can meet in future. Thank you.
Semoga kita segera ketemu, ya, supaya kita dapat segera datang ke sini. Oke, tasih dele.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Yeah. Okay.
So now we will go to another class. So let us go another. Just have a look and come. Come here. So this is another kuti. Yeah, this is another kuti for Sangha. So this is an old kuti for Sangha. See, very beautiful flower. Is a natural flower. Have a look. You guys can capture if you want.
Wah, bagus banget bunganya, kawan-kawan.
Bagus ya bunga.
Jadi ini adalah dekat dengan kuti besar.
Ya, ini kuti besar dong. Have a look. This is another kuti. Old kuti. Okay.
Wah, ini kita terima kasih nih. Kita turnya secara virtual. Jadi kita gak usah ikut jalan-jalan ini. Wah, kalau jalan-jalan keliling ini bisa capek juga nih.
This is the fair views. And
Built by Korimba and CAV.
Sponsored by Korimba and CAV. This is a Vajra Sattva fair views. Very big. When we get free time and free break time, so we usually turn these fair views to accumulate good deeds or good karma. Just come here. So this is a Mahakala temple. We didn't finish yet. Right now under construction. So didn't finish timely. So after few months it will become.
Mahakala room just attached with the main temple. This year is still under construction.
Let's come. Okay, so now we'll go to another class here. So might be some of you know that. Yeah. Bodhi tree here. Come here, have a look. So we will take you in our jungle. Jungle kuti. This is our kuti. Sangha kuti. Teacher kuti. This is our one of our Cambodians. Everybody knows. So he visited Indonesia. This is his kuti. Cambodian kuti. Now just have a look. So this one is a Lekitandian kuti.
Chief Airport.
Lekitandian kuti. From here. Come, just have a look. Also, you all will enjoy this view.
Yeah.
So here,
Lopun
this
Lopun
is
Guru.
Guru Brahma's kuti. Here,
Lopun-
have a look. Lopun Guru Brahma's kuti.
Here in Lopun Guru Pema room. Here one Lopun, the
Another
Lopun.
Lopun's kuti out here. What is one?
Yeah.
And yeah. So this is another.
In Lopun Kunzang Punso Skuti.
And here again another Lopun kuti. So this is my room now. this
Is
is my wonderful room. I already love.
Lopun
This is my own room.
room here.
Oke, tadi adalah kuti dari para lopon, ya. Lopon itu istilahnya kalau disetarakan itu biasa adalah untuk S3,
Acarya.
Acarya. Ya. Jadi tadi ada kita lihat kuti dari Lopon Chopel, ya.
Another Lopun Chotin Skuti. Lopun Chotin rooms.
So yeah, very beautiful. And this is a Lopun Chetin Doshi Skuti. So he is a future cornered resistant monk in Indonesia. So this is his skuti. Apple tree. no more apple fruit right now.
Here is our all resident. My all resident now currently staying one Lopun Lemahando. She stay here, and this is the
Dining hall.
dining hall for the Lopun. And now we visit from there, and we are going to another class.
So let's go to another class from here. So this is our Acharya dining hall. This is our dining hall.
And kitchen.
This is our kitchen.
Yeah. Hello.
Yes.
How is it that you're enjoying or some interesting or no?
Yes, of course. Rinpoche lah, we are so enjoying this tour, ya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The
Okay.
remote place.
Great of you. Just come to another class. See here. So this is another class. Have a look.
Kusambo. Yes, here. The monk. And he's the one and the teacher of English teacher.
Here, so here, this is one of our little monks class. So see here, so Thupten Yingpo.
Yeah. Now.
Yeah, so some of
Yeah,
monks want to
some-
share something. Have
Mr. Have a said. First, chill up new.
So some monks want to share something. So
Yeah. Chimi.
Shimi will share something.
Hi, welcome to our online tour now. It's pleasure to see you all. My name is Tamil Singh. Today I want to make a simple acquisitions. It's always good to help someone, and we are very much glad to have been helped by you all. Hopefully, we will see in the future with good help. Terima kasih. Sampai jumpa.
Yeah.
Hello, good morning. Good to see you all. My name is Ugench Hidaji, and hope everyone is safe from the COVID-19 current COVID-19 case, and thankfully with your support and Rinpoche's blessing, and we are safe here. Wish to see any other join in the future. Thank you.
Thank you. Semoga doa-doanya tercapai. Kita akan ketemu satu sama lain lagi di Bhutan nantinya ya.
Thank you. Yes. The youngest participant here. Yes, you can say something.
So cute. Ini baru 7 tahun, kawan-kawan.
Yeah.
Terus saja. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Itu cara mengucapkan terima kasih tadi ya, kawan-kawan. Nah, ini caranya mengucapkan terima kasih dalam budaya setempat ya.
Maybe. Many Indonesian people know the hymn. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. No.
Thank you, Coach.
Okay.
Oke, thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Buat kawan-kawan yang di rumah, say hi dong untuk semuanya. Say hi, halo.
Halo. Halo.
Semoga nanti kita bisa ketemu langsung dengan para biksu-biksu kecil ini ya, langsung kita hadir di Bhutan.
So we are visiting a retreat place, long retreat, not only for 3 years, 4 years. Some have already been more than 10 years, 11 years, 13 years in jungle. So we are going to jungle.
Oke, jadi sekarang kita akan pergi ke hutan. Ya, di sini ya kita akan mengunjungi tempat retreat ya. Dan ini bukan tempat retreat yang hanya biasa saja, tapi peserta yang datang ke tempat retreat ini bisa sampai 3 tahun, wow, bisa sampai bahkan 10 tahun. Itu di dalam hutan, itu di atas bukit lokasinya. Yuk kita sama-sama menuju ke sana, kawan-kawan.
Okay. Now this is our new construction for the retreat place, and we are going to build in I think everybody know because already help from the Indonesian deputy and Singaporeans and help to build the retreat place. Now we are going to build here in this place.
So this is some foundation of the retreat place. 3 years, minimum 3 years retreat place. So already under construction. Started to make some foundation. So let's have a look. So that one you might be seeing one. So a small house there. So this is a old Mahakala temple. Just come, have a look with Rimochala. So today we will enjoy our tour with Rimochala and one of my friends, Soyanga. So he is the English teacher. Let's enjoy it together happily. Think always you are in Rimochala monastery right now. Don't think you are in Indonesia. Just make your mind sure that you are in Indonesia, in DWT. So yeah, Lama is going there. Everybody knows. He's
The
working here.
The one who's
Lama.
moving at the moment.
So, Sisi here. Lama.
Say hi to
Everybody
Lama.
know him, so he
Halo.
already visit. So he is a very hard worker in monastery. Just have a
Oh, wait for a moment. Maybe Rinpoche wants to introduce.
그런 사람이 되어서 내가 길라.
Yeah.
Lama.
Yes.
야, 가장
Halo Lama.
Halo,
Kasih Dele, bujangku.
He is going to look after the worker and for the construction, and he's a very hard worker in monastery. And he's not only the chanting; he's physically also working, also very hard worker.
he is a really hard worker.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. This is Lama Jamyang. Lama Jamyang is the
Yes, yes.
Jamyang. Hello.
Apa tahu ya?
Jamyang adalah pekerja keras yang memperhatikan pembangunan konstruksi dari retreat center ini. Jadi ini retreat minimal 3 tahun ya, kawan-kawan. 3 tahun minimal. Jadi
Some of them they are that group tuh.
ini adalah bagian dari program Sedra ya.
Crashing the stone here, there.
They're trying to lift at the moment.
It's very heavy. Even though they are trying their best using the lever.
Yeah.
So now comes so retreat house for the meditators.
We have got one retreater here.
In jungle. So this is the one meditators,
Lay practitioner.
lay practitioner.
One retreat house.
One. She is Rinpoche's disciple, so she already received all the, so want to practice preliminary practice and she is practicing, yeah. So she already been the 1 year. 1 year now. She will continue until her death.
Lifetime.
Continuously she so practicing lifetime, their lifetime. Not like somebody so for a few months or few days, so therefore the lifetime practitioner. Yeah. Just
Wah, jadi juga tersedia untuk praktisi berumah tangga buat bapak
this
ibu
is
yang
Lama's Kuti. This is Lama's Jamyang Kuti.
oh ini Kuti Lama Jamyang tadi yang kita temui ya.
Okay, just come and
Terdiam
have a
juga.
look. So, this is a newly meditator. Now we will go to the senior meditator. Already some are so
15, more than 17 years.
oh, now we'll go to another meditator. So she is
Yeah,
a senior,
Maria.
more senior in this.
Yeah,
Already become more than
아니, 마취가 된지 딜러.
Jadi sekarang kita menuju ke tempat praktisi rumah tangga, tapi yang sudah lebih senior.
Here, the one, the mid, here the one, mid, retreat house.
So,
Oke.
ini tempat praktek praktisi rumah tangga yang sudah senior. How many practitioner in here, Rinpoche lah? Lay people.
In monastery, 16 participants.
Oh,
16.
16.
Yes.
16 ya, ada 16
Yes.
praktisi di sini.
And here, now we are going to rail the most senior.
Ini tempat kita berkunjung ke praktisi perumah tangga yang sudah paling lama ya. Ini tempatnya. Jadi kawan-kawan yang mau tinggal di sini nanti boleh ya tinggal. Kita latih di sini jadinya ya. Kalau sudah memutuskan tinggal di sini, kita nggak keluar nanti ya. Ya, silakan kawan-kawan siapkan visa yang cukup nanti.
Now I would like to show the most senior practitioner here, and she's already been more than 17 years the Dzogchen retreat. I think she's the one of among all my disciples. She is the one very senior.
So she is most senior Dzogchen practitioner in under Rinpoche. So she already been practicing Dzogchen more than 17 years. So she is a first disciple, and she and Rinpoche's mother is the first disciple. So you all are very lucky to see her because Rinpoche grant you to see. Because not allowed to see, because already Rinpoche given permission to see her. So she is a great Dzogchen practitioner. Until she already have some sign, but today we are not going to share those signs because it is not allowed us to share those signs.
Oke,
Have a look.
ini sudah 17 tahun praktek Dzogchen, Bapak Ibu kawan-kawan semua. Kita retret 5 hari, kadang-kadang kecapean ya. Tapi beliau sudah 17 tahun di sini. Wow, itu keren ya. Kita bisa ungkapkan tekad, membungkuk hormat ya, beranjali membungkuk hormat kepada beliau. Ya semoga mendapatkan hasil yang baik, dan demikian juga kita beraspirasi semoga kita juga dapat berlatih seperti beliau ya.
So she is Lopun Kunjab. Today so Rinpoche given a permit to see her because already it will be connected to those practice and it will purify your negative deeds. So that is a Rinpoche grant you all to see her, especially her. She is a great yogi. I must say she is a yogi, not like us, but especially not ordinary. So she seems like an ordinary, but innerly she is a yogi, totally. So beyond our mind, I don't have any words to explain about her. She is a really great person.
Ini adalah neneknya Lopon Kuncak ya. Lopon Kuncak adalah Lopon pertama yang temani Rinpoche ke Indo ya. Jadi beliau praktisi yang luar biasa, seorang yogini. Wow, kita beruntung bisa bertemu dengan beliau, kawan-kawan semua ya.
Have a look. So there we can see. Come, have a look, enjoy the Rumah Tangga. Here, another one here. They are practicing inside. So already, they are 4 years. Already, so they become the 4 years practicing inside this room. Okay. So one of our monks practiced here for 3 years under this cave. These 3 years under this cave. Before.
Have a close look.
Now here another. Here another practitioner. Have a look. So this is also another practitioner inside the jungle, not in the plain area. So full of jungle. So only they have friend only animals, birds,
trees and rocks.
No other friends. No human, nothing else. Only we can hear the twittering. Just come.
Ya, jadi ini adalah tempat praktisi yang di dalam hutan, hanya diselimuti oleh hutan, pepohonan, batu, ya, tidak ada yang mengganggu di sini.
And be careful to here very danger road.
See?
It's kidding.
So yes,
because the path is all in the jungle now.
Not like people and Singapore people.
Be careful. When you visit next time, be careful. Road is not really big. Path is very small
and very sketchy.
Come. Just have a look.
Ini kalau jalan hati-hati kawan-kawan, ya, karena ini tempatnya sangat sempit banget ya. Kalau jatuh itu udah guling-guling sampai ke kaki bukit itu. Wah, kita beruntung kita ikut virtual tour. Jadi kita tidak ikut menguji nyali, ya.
Those who are coming behind. Yeah, very slippery.
It's slippery because yesterday it rained very hard now. Today you can see even today the climate is very cloudy.
You can see the monastery here.
Wah, monasteri udah demikian jauh kawan-kawan. Kita cuma duduk diam saja dan melihat ini. Wah, keren.
Wow. So we are showing from the up.
From the jungle.
From up. I must say it's one of the hill. Just come, have a look. Be careful, enjoy the view.
Ayo jalan-jalan, kita lanjut jalan-jalan.
Cameraman.
Just come. See our wonderful park
In the jungle.
in the jungle. Nothing else. Only we can see the birds and flowers.
Jadi tidak ada apa-apa di sini, ini semua di hutan. Dan sebenarnya monastery ini awalnya mau dibangun di atas bukit yang sedang dinaiki ini. Ya, tapi nanti umatnya susah naik ke atas nih, nggak ada yang datang nanti. Akhirnya dibangunlah monastery di tempat yang kita lihat tadi. Jadi kalau dari atas bukit kita bisa melihat monastery-nya di bawah
Kita ada
jadinya.
COVID-19 in some jungle.
Tak ada lagi COVID-19 di sini kawan-kawan. Jadi silakan bagi yang mau datang nanti kita paling nggak bisa udah beraspirasi mulai dari sekarang.
How is it? Are you
Bagaimana?
enjoying? Are you enjoying the view?
Yes.
Oke, kawan-kawan, gimana? Kita menikmati view-nya ini.
Ya, betul. Bagus sekali.
We enjoy it.
Ini akan lebih keren kalau kita yang datang sendiri, kawan-kawan. Merasakannya itu tentunya akan lebih berbeda.
So here, this is again so new retreat house for the another practitioner. Right now he is down there, so Chichatunu, so the near to Kembolikis temple. So he will shift after a few months, not yet finished. So he is also already been so more than 7 years practicing. So he will shift here after few days.
Jadi ini ada tempat practitioner yang lain, ya. Nah, jadi ini kita melihat situasi yang ada di sini, bagaimana caranya kalau kata Ninja Hattori ya, mendaki gunung lewati lembah gitu ya. Nah, ini kurang lebih lah gambarannya kawan-kawan.
Now, so we reach another retreat house. So here again, so another retreat house. She already been so more than 9 years practicing here. Oh,
Before she practiced another place, this shift here.
so she practiced before there. So now she shifts here. More than so 9 years practicing here. Now she already reached in Dzogchen. So she is even the Dzogchen practitioner. So she practiced Ngondo more than 3 years. After that, continuously practicing Dzogchen.
Ini ada tempat praktisi Dzogchen di sini, kawan-kawan. Sudah sampai 9 tahun. 3 tahun awal praktisi Ngondro, dan selanjutnya mempraktekkan Dzogchen terus, kawan-kawan.
Again, so have a look. So this is again another practitioner. Here already have 2 practitioners. So might be so knowing her. So she so one of here practitioner already been 7 years practicing. So another might be another is newly practitioner here. Just have a look. So new one will show you.
Nah, udah ada 2 praktisi di sini, ada satu yang sudah 7 tahun di sini, kawan-kawan. Satunya lagi masih baru.
Okay, so no light. Oh, already have a light, very dim light. So let us have a look. So she's inside the retreat house practicing. Okay, so she is doing prayers here. So have a look. Oh
Oke,
yeah.
sudah praktisi
She
9
just
tahun ya.
New participate. She just joined in this year only, and she's practicing Ngondo now. She using very simple altar, and she just only starting right now.
Now let us see the another senior one. So she already been more than 7 years.
She's already been practicing more than 7 years now, and she's this is the new house, and before she used to be another place. Now she just
Now another. This is a newly participate and newly practitioner here. So they joined before 1 week. So they will practice lifetime. Here, new, here, already. So this is the sign of practitioner. Here, as a practitioner, you need to keep this sign, symbol of the practitioner.
Jadi kalau kawan-kawan kita datang ke sini mau praktek, nah bisa nanti dapat simbol ini ya. Jadi ini prakteknya bisa sampai seumur hidup kawan-kawan. Ini luas banget tempatnya, hebat. Ini orang-orang yang tinggal di sini. Jadi kalau kita mendapat sinyalnya kurang bagus, karena ini semakin ke atas, sinyalnya makin agak sulit dapat ya kawan-kawan ya. Karena kita udah menjelajahi satu bukit ini.
So, have a look. So this
Finally.
is our beloved Rimochila residence, new build residence. See here. This is our Rimochila new build residence.
Kita membungkuk hormat dulu. Ini adalah tempat tinggal dari Rinpoche-la.
Come now, so we are going to see the another meditators, Lopon Kunchap and Lopon Chimi. So Chichatur Malfa meditate, you know. So Lopon Kunchap already visit once in Indonesia.
Oke, kita akan mengunjungi praktisioner yang berikutnya, Lopon Kunchap dan Lopon Chimil ya. Ini udah pernah ke Indonesia juga.
Yes, see. Yeah. Now already they've been for 2 years in this retreat house. They are inside this. Inside. So Rimochala opened today, I guess. So Rimochala Grand asked to see. Even though until now I didn't seen them.
Yeah.
Until now I didn't see them. So today Rimochala Grand me to see. Thank you, Rimochala.
No allowed. You
Jadi
stay here.
sebenarnya
I will show
tertutup
the
ya kawan-kawan
house.
ya. Tapi kita diizinkan masuk ya. Blessing untuk kita semua nih. Bahkan Lopon Copel belum pernah lihat ini. Wah, kawan.
Only outer.
Okay, Lopol here stay. And I will show the Kote here in we call Chimi or Tuptin, and then Kunchap Chimi here. Okay, this I will show just only the house, and we strictly not to allowed to see other people.
Rinpoche-la akan menunjukkan lokasi dari Lopon Kunchap dan Lopon Chimi yang biasanya tidak diizinkan untuk dilihat ya. Kita berkesempatan untuk melihat ini, kawan-kawan. Thank you,
Now,
terima
close,
kasih.
Yeah.
Sekarang ditutup kembali.
Only Rimochala. Even not with me.
Jadi cuma boleh lihat bangunannya doang ya, kawan-kawan ya.
See, all the kids become like crystal. Yeah, roasted now.
Sudah dikunci kembali. Karena orangnya nggak boleh dilihat. Ini
If it's very so important thing, so we have to give from here only. Yeah.
We
from
just
this
keep
way.
here.
We have to
Oh,
keep
ini
here.
tempat makanan ya.
Allowed to the place.
So there's a question, Loponla. Loponla, there's a question.
Yeah.
So why it need to be solitaire? So why we cannot see it? Why it should be closed with keys?
Oh, so it is very important to increase our inner quality. So if already so free from the disturbance, so it will be increase very quickly our inner quality. So that is why nobody can see. If we have with some disturbance, it's very difficult to increase our inner quality. So everybody knows, isn't it? So as we are going here and there, then we forget to practice. If already isolated, then it will increase our quality very cepat bisa.
Okay.
Okay. Just enjoy the view. Just come with me. So I want to mention one thing. So especially for the practitioner. So without seeing and so isolated place, if they practice there, if they practice for 1 month also, it's similar to the 3 years without isolating. So that is why. So they want to be isolated and already so Rimochala grant the permission and already Rimochala bless everything, and so that is why they cannot see to others and cannot meet. Only Rimochala when they finish their own so practice, then Rimochala go there and give some instruction and transmission and some so inner practice. So that is why they choose that, because I already mentioned chapa chapa to increase very fastly our inner quality.
And hope they're doing good.
Yeah, sure. Continue. Okay, now so we reach to our place, another place. So this is some house. So serving the monastery here, and so they are carpenter in our monastery. Just have a look. See, very strong. Especially, see, they are very great carpenter out here. I know big for them. So they are very good in English. So if you want to speak something, so they can speak very fluently.
They can
not
speak
like
English
me.
very well.
Yo, kawan-kawan, halo, say hi.
Ya, kusang pulau
Ini
apa?
adalah para tukang kayu yang bekerja di monastery.
He is the head carpenter.
Yeah,
here.
he is
Head
the man.
Main
carpenter.
carpenter and
Yeah,
carpenter.
he built this house. He is the one, the
Engineer.
local engineer or architecture of this house. Yeah, my resident.
Architecture. Yeah, or so he is another one architecture. So he is a very good in English. So he can speak English very fluently, better than me. Just continue.
Right now we are working here as a labor,
Helping.
and we are helping here for monastery. So right now monastery is going under construction. So here we have got almost 9 to 10 laborers here. All are helping for monastery. Okay.
So they
Thank you.
They are very kind and serving. So monastery. See, all are very strong.
Yeah,
Looks very
love them.
skinny.
Wait, something said it's okay. Everybody can speak English very well.
They are so student. They are already so graduated from not from college. So they are graduated
High secondary.
high school. They already graduated from. Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah, wait. Kung bimugin. Wag mi kaya anak siya din. Hona. Mi chije ba.
Okay. So now
Now we are
go
going to
another
the
place, which is very secret. And so I guess so we will have some result from that place. Just have a look. I guess so you are all enjoying. So watching our so this program. What? So you say something. No, don't need to something.
He's still in the tour.
Yeah, me. Be careful. This is our road.
Hati-hati kalau kita lewat jalan ini, kawan-kawan ya. Ini bukan jalan yang gampang. Kita sekarang mulai turun bukit lagi. Nah, jadi kita udah keliling sebenarnya udah 1 jam lebih ini ya.
This is our gate.
This is the old gate.
Welcome to Dongayasa Darjeeling Monastery. Our new gate. Old gate. Now already we changed our gate, another place. So this is our old gate. When the Mappa, Angel, Chichatur, Mummy, Kohade, when they come, they visit our monastery. So they visit from here before 4 years ago.
When there were no roads.
And there are no roads, so they work 1 day. For us, 2 hours. For them, 1 day.
Jadi waktu kawan-kawan yang lain berkunjung, ya ini dulu adalah gerbang yang lama ya. Sekarang gerbangnya udah dipindah ke tempat lain ya. Jadi dulu beberapa kawan-kawan dari Indonesia masuk ya lewat gerbang ini.
Thanks for joining this program in today. So we all are very glad to explain, show this our monastery view today. So with Rimochala and my friend Yangda and all the Sangha, so on behalf of this, so I want to thank everybody to join this group and thank you. See you ahead and just sampai jumpa. Terima kasih semua. Now Rimochala will say something. So I just already finished everything, nothing to share.
Okay, thank you very much for visiting my monastery in remote place. I'm Pesa. Today, many people visit in my monastery. I'm very happy to see this today program, and especially I would like to thanks to Mr. Kuryati and Melba and Hadi and Chatur, everybody, and I'm very happy, and I will make prayer and be very healthy and wealthy and
Free from COVID-19.
But free from the COVID-19 and terima kasih, sampai jumpa tahun depan. Ya.
Terima
Okay,
kasih.
so
Thank you, Rimochala.
Thank
See you again.
Rinpoche. Thank you, Lopon.
Ya,
Thank
terima
you.
kasih.
Thank you, Lopen Kopel. Thank you, Lopen lah.
Rinpoche lah, Lopan lah.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you, Lopan lah. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. See you again.
Have a good day.